welcome this amazing video. Outdoor kitchen idea on a budget. Embrace rustic charm. Outdoor kitchen are become increasingly popular as people look to extend their living space and enhance their outdoor entertainment capabilities, create a beautiful and functionally outdoor kitchen. Do not have to break the bank, especially if you are drawn to the rustic charm that complement nature. Here, contemporary gas on how to create a budget friendly rustic outdoor kitchen. Their combine with aesthetic appeal, plants your space before dive into construction. Take the time of plan your outdoor kitchen, determine the location, size, and layout that best serve your need. Consider the follow step. Locate. Choose the spot that and easy abing from your indoor kitchen. Fact to use like water, gas, and electric can also save your money. Climax. If you live in an area with hard weather, consider shift invite into material. You take up how you use the space. Do not do you need a full kitchen step or just come step? Budget friendly material. Rustic design on the use of natural, often purple material. Those can be both choose effectively and eco friend. Reclaimed wood is perfect for extend or rustic look. Use its a control top shoot or even as convenient for your outdoor kitchen. Some For reclaim wood insect both bring palette or demonstrate not only to its add chaptering but it's also read, wash and cause significant loss than new wood. Concrete is a versatile and insect material that can be used a central top flow and easy sleep. It can be stick and textile or fib the rustic aesthetic concrete top aesthetic budget friendly and often a custom look palette furniture project one of the best way to keep cost down is to take on some project. Here are some a few idea palette furniture palette or increase versatile and can be used create anything from set to stories and theme down and appear a watering proof finish to durability. You can find fresh palette its make story customize set Rustic shed install open full use reclaimed wood instead brick. This provides story and add to your rustic charm. If also can easy affordable project lights good lights and enhance for both functionally and embrace sticky lights and Cambro create a choosy rustic feel solar power energy or any effect and is your friend decoration incorporating rustic decor to create chaptering. Consider elements like natural elements, incorporating image like craft wood